Now I can enjoy my steak.
Whoa, you're almost done.
I'm almost done. Okay, gotta go.
Yeah!
How was blowing up the house?
It was really fun.
Let's see if dying 5 different ways is just as fun.
I'm really good at dying in Minecraft. It's okay.
I've never seen somebody so excited to just die.
Can you punch me? Thank you.
I'm gonna go to the other room.
All right, good luck, Gracie. I keep seeing the notification that you fell, bro. Why do you suck this bad?
It's going horrible. Okay, we got this. We got this. I believe. Yes!
Oh, you did it! You have to go touch grass in real life.
Be right back.
Take a picture.
What are you doing now?
I'm lowering my health so that it takes less time to die from fall damage.
How many ways